Hey, what's going on, everybody? Shane here from Vulgar Display Gaming, and I have another shirt video for you. I'm doing another 25 tour shirts, slowly trying to get through this massive horde of shirts. So, without further ado, let's start. We got the first one, if I can untangle it, Spirit World. Pretty cool band. I've talked about them before. This shirt was cool. I picked this up at a benefit show. Cool side art, sleeve art. You have a Jeff Hanneman engraved there, or Lynn, Eddie Arnold, and Patsy Cline right there. But pretty cool. It's like, heavy metal dudes and country guys. And then it's got cool PBR sleeves. I thought it was a cool shirt. Fun shirt. Let's see. Was there anything on the back? I remember nothing on the back. No back. Back. What is this? Oh, it was a Metallica shirt from their tour last weekend. This was the shirt for both dates. It says Polarized on it. Polarize. And on the back, it's got the dates for those two shows they did in each one of those cities. Cool. Good time. Always love seeing Metallica live. They still got it, I think. Let's see what else we got here. We got Early Moods, cool local LA band. If you're into like the kind of new wave of British heavy metal kind of stuff, I would say they fit into that category. This tour shirt was cool. I've seen them only twice now. They kick ass, so definitely check out Early Moods. I'd probably highlight them in another Bands You Should Know video. There's a few bands I want to do that still. Bridge City Sinners, fucking awesome band. They have like a bunch of acoustic instruments, violin and stuff, and it's like, I don't know, I'd say like heavy metal rockabilly kind of stuff. Really cool stuff. Check out Bridge City Sinners if you haven't heard of them. But I picked that up, I've only seen them twice now, and I picked that up at a club show. I believe I picked it up when they were playing the Wiltern. But anyway, Creeping Death, really good kind of death thrash band. Got some cool shirts though, like the Lich King on there, and then you got on the back, hailing from Texas Death Metal. Seen them quite a few times now. Never disappoint live. This is a classic band. Hopefully, if you are into sleep, you appreciate their shirts and how cool and weird they are. And I believe this shirt's not faded. I guess this is just how it was. They never really have like tour dates on their shirts. They have a few sleep shirts. I've seen sleep maybe 4 times now. I forget, but you probably forget because kind of show that is. It's got its own atmosphere. Anyway, Twin Temple, real cool group. Kind of like satanic doo-wop. That's what I would consider them. Got the dates on the back. I've seen Twin Temple 3 times now. Really cool band. This is another local LA death metal band. Really cool band to check out is Teeth. Always got some crazy art going. No back to that. I picked that up when they were playing, I think, with Skeletal Remains. This is a band, I believe, hailing from Washington or Oregon. I forget. But they were playing with Mortal Wound. This is Cystic. Cystic. I picked that up. Cool artwork. Just their logo. Simple shirt. Cool death metal band. Definitely check them out. I have their vinyl as well. This was a festival shirt. Knotfest Roadshow 2019. That was a good one. Sucks I didn't get to. I was waiting in line for fucking merch. I missed Volbeat, but Slipknot, Volbeat, Gojira, Behemoth, killer show. And this was the only time I've gotten to see this band. Sucks. I've been wanting to see them for so long, and I'm a huge fan. Offspring. Let the bad times roll. This was, again, this is one of those fucking shirts where there's no year on the back. I forget already. No year. Put a fucking year on your shirt. Damn it. Like, I gotta look up, like, at least they named the tour. Let the bad times roll. So I gotta figure out when that tour was, and I'm just gonna silk screen my own year on the back. God. This is a cool long sleeve by the almighty Crowbar. This was 2022. So that is the front simple logo. Then you have Crowbar on the sleeve art. It's kind of hard to even just push these apart. You can see it. Crowbar going down the sleeves, on each sleeve, as well as on the back. You have actual dates, years, everything. This was the Zero and Below Tour 2022. So thank you, Crowbar, for including a fucking year on the back of your shirt. I don't know, that just bugs me so fucking much. Like, either just have just graphic and no dates. Like, don't commit to the dates if you're not going to put a year on it. You just don't. Like, you can't. Or just, what was it, that Megadeth shirt where it was just the cities. That was it. Fuck. Stupid shit. I digress. Let's keep moving. Oh, this is a cool I Hate God shirt. A history of nomadic behavior. And this is just, I think that was the tour. See, they didn't put dates on it, so it's fine. I'm not going to get mad at it. It's got some cool stuff on the back. Society's rules, undermining society's rules since 1988. I Hate God, always a good time. Can't say enough good things about them. Oh, this was last ever Rush show, 2015. The R40 tour. Before they didn't, it wasn't even nobody knew what was going on with Neil. Rest in peace. But they actually have the year dates celebrating 40 years. It's a cool shirt, Love me some Rush. I only got to see them one time, but fuck, Rush plays for like 4 hours. It was great. That's that basket. Let me grab the other one. Alright, let's keep this moving. Next up, this was a cool band. I'm glad they made a comeback. I mean, this was one of Mike Patton's first projects as like a kid. Mr. Bungle. I've seen them, I think, 3 times now. But always a good time. Nothing on the back of that shirt. This is a cool band hailing from, I believe, Denver. Chemist, like doom metal. Pretty sweet shirt, dude wandering the mountain pass. No dates on the back, but I think I got this at a Metal and Beer Fest when they were headlining. This is a cool shirt. I actually like this album, and the album artwork's pretty cool. So Exodus says Persona Non Grata on there. Pretty cool artwork on it. They actually have the dates, year. This is the Bass Strikes Back tour. They have everything on there. All the information. It's just every information. Even the venue. And like some bands can't even add 4 fucking numbers to the back of their shirts. Where Exodus is writing you everywhere. They're about to put the whole fucking address of the venue too. It's like, yeah, it was 1, 2, 3 way, God. Forget. I think this is an official shirt. I forget. But cool Maiden shirt. 2019 tour. Legacy of the Beast. Pretty sweet. And it actually has the year on the back and the dates. Got the Mount Rushmore of Eddies. Pretty cool shirt. Iron Maiden's always a good time seeing them. This is a classic death metal band. Gorguts. Finally was able to catch them last year. And again, they have the whole dates, year, everything on the back, which is great. Thank you, Gorguts. We'll thank every band for putting a year on the back of their shirt so I remember what tour it is. Like this is a cool Cannibal Corpse shirt, you know? When I saw them and like they're in Hollywood, all the zombies eating everybody, pretty sweet. One problem with this shirt is on the back. It's cool. It's the Hollywood Walk of Fame, but like that red, it's kind of hard to tell. I mean, at least it's 2022, and this was the LA exclusive shirt. I don't think they were selling this anywhere else. You know, it's on Hollywood Boulevard, but that red kind of doesn't contrast with it. It's kind of hard to read, but nonetheless, it's a cool shirt. This is a sweet DRI shirt. 40 years of thrash. This is the West Coast Thrash Tour 2022. I think this was the first time I ever got to see DRI. For some reason, they were always one of those bands I missed. It has their cool side sleeve art, you know, the dude moshing, as well as on the other side, it's cool because it has Dirty Rotten Imbeciles actually fully spelled out, not just DRI. So that's pretty cool. Cool long sleeve. This is one of many of the same farewell tour shirts. Different shirts, but different times. I think I caught Kiss 3 times on this farewell tour that was never ending, it seemed like. Final tour ever. Kiss World Tour. But see, the thing is, I will say, I don't know, because this was like a 3-year tour, 2-year tour. Don't know what year it was. Don't know where any of the fucking dates were. I know they played LA. I guess it's just that's it. These are the cities they played at. Because let's see what's on this Kiss shirt. Maybe this one has some years on it. This is a long sleeve. End of the Road tour. And there is the same shit on the back of this one. It just says End of the Road tour. I mean, cool side sleeve art. Kiss. You know. It's the same shit on both sides. And then this was the world tour where I guess it has even more dates on the back. It's like, hey, here's everywhere we played. You just have to figure out what year it was or day they played. Whatever. This was a kind of disappointing shirt. I feel like this band could have done better on their merch. I used to have a really cool shirt by them, but anyway, I really wanted a shirt by them, and this was like all I had left. Let me know if you got cooler shirts from this band, because this one kind of is disappointing. Turnstile, like whatever these two things are, just like potato head people. This is the shirt. This is it. There's nothing on the sleeves, nothing else. It's just that. Turnstile with some potato heads making out or something. Just looking at each other. I don't know. Sensual potato head love. Shirt. And let's get a cooler shirt going here. Yeah, this is a really cool shirt. Our Trip. It's a badass long sleeve with Our Trip. I always like that they put their logos on the side. Whatever. Their logos are on the side, on each arm. Can't really, again, unfold it out. But logos on each side, nothing on the back. I believe I got this at a Metal and Beer Fest. And that wraps it up for this edition of tour shirts. That was 25 tour shirts. So, hey, again, let me know what your favorite tour shirts are. I have a lot of shirts to go through. So until next time, everybody, thanks for stopping by. If you liked everything, like, subscribe. We got some merch actually coming out. I think I'll link our t-shirts in the description below, as well as the other parts. So 1, 2, and 3 now. This is part 4. So now we've hit 100 shirts, and there's, I think, 400 more to go. So, all right, everybody, take it easy.